Don't settle for takeout this Super Bowl Sunday. Try this garlic parm wing recipe instead.
Cheers. 10 out of 10. I grabbed this bag of wings from my local grocery store. These drums are already separated from the flat, so it makes it a little bit easier. These wings have quite a bit of moisture. We want to get rid of that because we want our skin to be super crispy. Grab yourself some paper towels and pat down on the chicken nice and hard. Again, we want to soak up any extra moisture. Give them a flip and we're going to get the other side. Now that we got all that unnecessary water out of there, let's get these wings seasoned up. We're going to use a little bit of Dano's. This stuff's delicious. And then a little bit of some holy garlic. Give your wings a toss, making sure to get the seasoning on all sides. Pro tip, add on about 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Work that cornstarch into your flats and drums. We'll go ahead and get our Blackstone heated up on medium heat and toss these on. Sprinkle down some oil before your chicken. Dump it all on. Top it off with a little bit more oil. At this point, flatten them out so they can all cook evenly. While our drumsticks start to crisp up, let's get our garlic parm sauce ready. We're going to start our sauce with 1 stick of butter and then toss your bowl in the Blackstone to get this butter melted. Grab yourself a sharp knife so we can get our garlic prepped. You can use jarred minced garlic, garlic paste, or fresh garlic. I like to go fresh whenever possible. Using your knife to mash your garlic into a paste will help it to stick to the wings just a little bit better. Come over to your butter and add in your garlic, as well as a bit more of your seasonings. Most important, don't forget to add your favorite grated Parmesan to your sauce. Mix that up and let it sit to the side while our wings finish up. After a couple minutes, go ahead and give all your wings a flip. We want them to cook evenly. Be patient with your wings. They're going to take a little while to cook. Don't forget, Rome wasn't built in a day. Occasionally turn your drums. This way all sides get a chance to get crispy. Once your drumsticks are at an internal of 165 or above, they're safe to eat. Let's get these sauced up. We're going to take these bad boys and throw them right into our garlic butter. Give them a good toss. Make sure you work your sauce onto every piece of chicken. Transfer your wings to your final serving plate. Top your wings off with a little bit of parsley and some extra Parmesan. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Be sure to let me know your thoughts on this wing recipe down below.